Okay guys, so yeah, it's November 13 today, 2024. And this is the most awaited month of the year, date of the year, para sa big comeback movie ni Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. So, malapit lang naman kami sa mall and umalis kami ng bahay 12:30 noon. And right now, 12:45 na. So, nauna na si Kai dun sa mall, bilihan ng ticket. And kakatas ko lang mag-park. So, I'm so excited. Update namin kayo later guys sa aming honest movie review as we always do. And, can't really wait. Sensya na, nagmamadaling tayo kasi ang next showing is 4 p.m. We cannot wait that long. So, yeah, let's go. Let's check this out. Basta na sa kayo. Alright. Hey! Hey! Alright. Hey.
How'd you do it? Some of us are just different. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Someone's you.
We'll stay here.
You can do this. You can do it.
Sige, tuloy mo.
Alrighty. Who's gonna volunteer first?
Stop blowing. Stop blowing.
Hello.
Parang naiiyak ka sa kilig. Parang ako kinukunyari mo ah.
Okay, so guys, we're so back. And hindi guys, ano speechless ako. Grabe, parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Ayoko mag-spoil ng anything. Pero i-rate ko na lang 1 to 10. This is a perfect 10 for me. How about you, love?
Perfect 10.
If we can even exceed 10 out of 10, I'll give it 12 out of 10. That's how beautiful this movie is. Grabe na ako makahinga. Papasok kayo ng sinihan na excited. Manonood kayo na umiiyak at masaya, tumatawa. And lalabas kayo ng nakangiti at kinikilig pa rin. This is the same vibe that we had nung nag-expect pa lang kami, naghihintay pa lang kami ng November 13. And thank you so much, Direk Cathy, Catherine and Alden. Hindi nyo kami binigo sa mga ibinigay nyo. Sobrang worth it. Sobrang worth it ng 5 years, guys. Sobrang nakakangatal. Ewan ko, basta tulala kami sa saya. Congratulations! Sobrang ganda ng movie. Manood kayo, guys. Kailangan nyong makita to personally. Everything. Kumpletos Ricardos. Grabe. Kat din fan na ako. Legit.
Start to finish nyo.
Sige na guys, ayaw na namin kayong spoil, okay? Watch the movie.
Mapataas pa yung paa.
Watch the movie! Yeah, I'll put all the clips kung kaya ko i-edit to ng madalian para lang engganyohin kayo manood, okay? So yun, thank you so much for watching and enjoy. Bye guys!